Morning friends, there's a difference between Gurkha and Thar. You know what? The well-known so-called Thar, CRD and the Gurkha जो साल में बिकता है 10 या 12, किसी को पता ही नहीं. It's a classic Thar. But I'll show leg room and the space, which are a lot more smaller than Force Gurkha. Right. Just go through the gear lever, and comfortable enough to drive a classic car, you know. And this one is a 4-wheel drive, right? The diff lock and all. The height is small, and the ground clearance is. This is the clearance of Thar, and this one is Force Gurkha. The snorkel that is inbuilt, right? You can take it from your open market, but you cannot get it in Thar, right? You'll get enough leg room and space. The height is much. If you'd like to see, the space is far better than Thar, right? Of course, I will tell the disadvantages of Gurkha. The gear lever is harder, much tough to control. This for men, right? Those who can drive Volvo and all. And firstly, I would tell you, like to share something. And you know what? The initial pickup is that much good. But if you run your in 100 km, you can cross any other vehicle that is running with 20 or more than that. The weight is more than 50 kg more than Thar, right? You know, this is the quality of Thar, the quality of iron they are providing. This is the Gurkha. Just feel the sound. Feel the sound. And this one is the fiber quality they are providing. And this is the fiber of Thar. The quality of, you know what, iron and else is far better in Ford. If you would like to see the horn quality and the headlamp is very poor. Trust me, very pure. It is hard to drive. The gearbox are tough to manage. You cannot drive if you are not tough enough by heart. Trust me, dear. And this is a snorkel, right? This is a snorkel. You can run this car up to this level. Underwater. You can run this car and the engine will not stop in any way. Trust me, any way. You can run this car or this vehicle in any condition up to level of water. Your car will, you know what? And the engine they are providing, the Mercedes-Benz OM616, and that is true, my dear, true, because Force is the only distributor and the manufacturer of engine. Show me this one. Force. Just wait for the sound of Thar. Just listen to it. That is CRD engine, common rail. Listen the sound. More smoother sound, right? You get that is CRD engine, right? And now you are going to listen the engine sound of Gurkha's BS3 model. Start the engine. That is BS3 engine. Of course, the petrol and the fuel filtration is much more better over here, but that will hurt the engine, the heart of engine, of course. The engine durability is, of course, this is the better in case of Gurkha. And now I am going to show you off the back area of Thar.
अरे हम शेर सिंहों की औलाद है, शेर किसी से डरते नहीं।